We live on a world that is constantly moving, spinning at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. But what if, without warning, that movement suddenly came to a halt? The morning began like any other. Cars filled the highways, planes crossed the skies, and billions of people continued their normal lives, until, without warning, the Earth stopped spinning. The consequences of this sudden stop would be instantaneous and catastrophic, initiating the ultimate global disaster. In a single second, everything not bolted or attached to the ground was launched eastward at nearly 1,600 kilometers per hour. That's the speed of Earth's rotation at the equator. Buildings, cars, trains, and people would be instantly turned into projectiles. Cities vanished beneath walls of destruction as immense kinetic energy was released. Oceans rose into massive tsunamis taller than skyscrapers, swallowing entire coastlines within minutes. There would be no time to run, no warning. What humanity once called civilization turned into chaos before people could even understand what had happened. But the real horror was only beginning. The immediate destruction ensured that any semblance of social order instantly disintegrated. Survivors would face a world unrecognizable and instantly hostile. Satellites, no longer held by the rotating atmosphere, would quickly fail. Power grids collapse. Governments disappeared. The infrastructure of modern life was gone. With the Earth no longer rotating, the long-term environmental effects would seal the fate of any remaining life. One side of Earth became trapped in endless daylight, burning hotter every day, while the other side froze in permanent darkness. The day side would face temperatures exceeding 100 degrees Celsius, boiling off surface water. The night side would drop to hundreds of degrees below zero, freezing the atmosphere onto the ground. Massive temperature differences between the day and night sides would drive unimaginable atmospheric chaos. Winds stronger than any storm in human history would tear across the planet, attempting to redistribute the heat. The atmosphere, still trying to maintain its rotational momentum, would generate permanent hyperstorms, making surface survival impossible outside of protected areas. And somewhere between the frozen darkness and the burning sunlight, the last survivors would search for a thin strip of land where life could still exist. They would be searching for the twilight zone, the narrow, habitable band of land where the temperatures are just right. This thin strip of land would be the only place where liquid water could exist, making it the final refuge for humanity. For the first time in human history, humanity would realize a terrifying truth. Our planet survives because it never stops moving. Every sunrise, every ocean current, every breath we take depends on Earth's silent rotation. And if that motion ever ended, civilization wouldn't slowly collapse. It would disappear almost instantly.